Just going to get the rest of the subframe stripped off, buffers and so on.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me. Every day I feel time slipping, passing, skipping by. All the words I could say just can't really seem to stay. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me.
So I've got the rebound buffers. One's got the rubber on, which is almost perished. The other one's got no rubber, so I'll have to try and find them. Yeah, not seen them before. Subframe's in actually really good condition. A few rust bits here and there, but no holes. Doesn't seem to be weakened anywhere. So I'll get that dipped and powder coated.
Every time I divide all the fractions of my mind, take away all the pain, give myself another day. Give myself another day. Every day I decide if we'll ever see the sign. I ignored all the lines showing me eternal light. Showing me eternal
Well, that was fun. So the bearing was stuck in there. The inner part of the bearing was completely stuck on that shaft. So I literally had to cut it off. Unbelievable. Why couldn't the first one be like that? Ugh. Nightmare. Right, so now that's all stripped, obviously I've got the subframes to go off for powder coating. I'm going to take the get the fuel tank sent off as well. What else did I want to send off? The tank straps. Some of these parts here I may send off. I think maybe the back plates and the disc guard things, maybe the trunnions for the rear subframes. So the radius arms I've got to send off to a guy who refurbs them. He's already sent me a new pair, or a reconditioned pair that's had they've been painted, new bearings put in. So I've got to send them back. He doesn't have any hydrolastic top arms to refurb, so I'm going to send him them. He's going to refurb them, spray them, you know, clean them, spray them, put new bearings in, and so on. The hydrolastic units are going to go off to a company, Hydrogas or something, on Facebook. So hopefully I can get all these sent off this week. What else am I sending off? I might probably get that powder coated as well, and the accelerator pedal. And then I've got a guy that's going to refurb the carbs, and he's also going to refurb the master cylinder servo. So yeah, quite a few bits to send off, so that should clear a bit of space. I'm at full capacity at the moment. Shell is going this week to a different company. They're picking it up Monday or Tuesday. They're going to sandblast it and etch prime it. I don't know how long that's going to take, hopefully a couple of weeks, and then that'll give me a chance to get a lot of these bits here cleaned up in the blast cabinet. So that is it for today. I'm going to have a tidy up and start packing some of these bits up.